Saxon Phonics, Lesson 48. Repeat each word after me, and listen for the sound in the beginning or initial position. What do you hear? Shell, shock, ship. What sound do you hear in the initial position? Right. Shh. What letter or letters do you hear making that sound? Let me uncover and see if you can tell now. What letter or letters are making the sh sound? Right. S and H. All these words begin with the sh sound, and the SH are the first two letters in all these words. SH must be the two letters making the sh sound. How many sounds do you hear? Sh, sh, sh. Right, one sound, but how many letters are there? Yes, I see two letters making one sound. Do you remember what we call that when two letters make one sound? A digraph. Is digraph SH a vowel or a consonant digraph? Yes, it's a consonant digraph because we have two consonants in our digraph. Our new keyword for SH has the sh sound. See if you can guess it. This is an animal that swims underwater. They have gills and fins. What do you think it is? A shark. Sh-ark. Our new keyword is shark. When you see this card, say shark. Shh. The keyword shark helps us remember the sh sound because shark begins with sh. Before we go on to do our worksheets, let's look at some sight words. Could. Repeat after me. Could. What do you think this word is? It looks the same as could, but has a W in front. What sound does a W make? W, w. If it was k-ud, what would it be with the w sound? Right, w-ud, would. I would like some ice cream. Our last sight word for today is should. Did you guess it? Sh-ud. All of our words have the same ending, O-U-L-D, but they all have a different beginning. K-ud. W-ud. Sh-ud. Sight words are hard to sound out. That's why we remember them by our sight. Let's go through them one more time. Repeat them after me. Could. Would. Should. Go ahead and get your worksheet out. And let's do 1 through 10. Number 1. T. 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 Do you remember what else can sound like T? Right. Our suffix ed can sound like T on the end of some words. Number 2. D. 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 And do you remember what suffix can sometimes sound like D? Yes, E, D. Number 3, A. A. Right, the letter A. And what else do we put on A's line? Yes, A, consonant, E. Did you guess it right? A consonant E goes on the same line as A because it also sounds like A. Remember that sneaky E sneaks over this consonant, and our A then says A instead of A. Number 4, O. 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 And do you remember what we put with O? Right. O, consonant, E. Number 5, P. 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 Number 6, F. 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 T, H says F. Number 7, F. 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 When I say the letter F, my top teeth meet my bottom lip. Try sounding it out by touching your top teeth to your bottom lip. F. 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 Number 8, G. 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 Number 9, R. 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 Number 10, H. H. Take some time to fill in 1 through 10 if you don't have them filled in yet, and I'll wait a minute before moving on to number 11. Okay, number 11. Let's spell some words. Yet. Y. At. Y. At. Y. At. Did you spell it Y-E-T? Number 12. Isn't. Isn't. This sounds like 2 different words. What could it stand for? Isn't. Yes, it stands for is not. Isn't. Is not. Do you know how to spell is? Is. And we need to spell the word isn't. Isn't. How do you spell not? Is not. N. Put it right next to your S. Isn't. T. In the word not, we would have an O in between the N and T, but the O squishes up and puts an apostrophe for a contraction. Isn't. Number 13. Shh. Shh. Do you remember what 2 letters make the sh sound? S, H. Number 14. She, sh, e. Right, you hear the sh sound in the beginning. Sh, e. S, H, e. Number 15. Wish, w, I, sh. W, I, sh. Wish. Number 16. Rush, r, sh. R, sh. When you're ready to move on, look at 17 through 21. Look at 17 through 21. Which word matches the picture of the dish? D-ish. Draw a line from the picture to the word now. Which number did you pick to match the picture dish? Yes, it's number 20. D-ish. Make sure you sound them out to find out which word matches the picture. Look at number 22 through 26. Match the correct word to the picture of packing. Packing. What number did you pick? Yes, number 24 says packing. Draw a line from packing to the picture now. When you're finished, turn your paper over. I should do the things Mom said to do. I should wipe the dust off the shelf and the desk. I need to sweep the rug. I would go to the store if I could, but I can't. Repeat each sentence after me. I should do the things Mom said to do. I should wipe the dust off the shelf and the desk. I need to sweep the rug. I would go to the store if I could, but I can't. Number 1 says, who said to wipe the dust off the shelf? Number 2, I need to sweep the store, sweep the rug, sweep Mom. To answer questions 1 and 2, you can look back and read our little paragraph here, or you can rewind the video. When you're finished, submit your worksheet to your teacher.